Sorry for the loud chickens. Hey girls, they keep coming over here because they want to be movie stars, I guess. All right, here's the problem with the Worx. These nice old plastic things. These are 13 inches long and they come roped into here and double up so that when it's spinning, it just beats up all the leaves. It is relatively simple to be able to install this and put it onto it. I have the other video that shows how to do that. So what I'm doing in this video is I'm updating the wire. So here I have two different types of wires. These are both wires for hanging art. This one is a heavy duty braided wire, and the diameter might be a little bit too thick. So I'm gonna try that. This other wire is also braided, but it has a wax, not a wax, like a plastic covering over it, so it's protected it. And I'm gonna try both of them, see if they both work. The issue might be the diameter, but this is about the same diameter as the plastic here. So if I am trying to use this, hopefully these will last longer than little plastic. Let's give it a go and see how many leaves we can cut up with these wires. I have about 30 bags of leaves that I got from the neighbors. So let's give it a go. Okay, there we go. We have it installed. This is nice because when it spins around, if it's too long, it will get cut off with that so that it doesn't whip around too much. There we go. So we have those two. Let's see how long these things will last in terms of the durability test. So now that we have that in, we have it plugged in. Put the top on. All right, let's give it a go. All right, look at the damage. Okay, it's really split up there. This one's also split up, but they're not really much shorter. So the plastic has come off, which is totally fine. Went through one bag pretty quickly. I'm gonna put a catch. Still doing good. It's just the plastic that has come off. So the metal is holding up in here and it's beating down all the leaves. So that's 2 bags. The plastic would have been toast by now, but so far so good. I'm gonna keep going and see how many bags this thing will last. Okay, these wires lasted about 4 or 5 bags.
Is that all?
Yep.
Huh.
Which is more than the plastic ones, but I'm gonna get some needle nose pliers and switch out these ones if they'll fit. If they don't fit, then I'm gonna put these ones back in. The diameter of this wire is half of the wire of this diameter. We'll experiment and see what works best. I'm hoping, in theory, this will last longer because it's thicker, but maybe it won't. Depends on how many twigs are in there. So I'm gonna change out the bag and see how long these wires last. All right, consensus. This thicker wire lasted just as long as the thinner wire, and I only got 2 bags worth in there. So I will get heavier duty wire that has the plastic wrapping around it and put that in here since that lasted the longest. See if I can get through the rest of these bags, but they're definitely lasting longer than the plastic, which is a good thing. They don't seem to be more dangerous. It just depends on how many twigs you actually have in the bundle that you throw down in there. So hopefully you can see how much is in there. There we go. It breaks it down pretty darn good, but only 2 for the larger wire, but it's weaker, not as tight, versus the tighter wire that has the protective coating over it. All right, I'm gonna put that back in and finish the rest of these bags. Destroyed the wire. So I went and purchased this Rino-Tuff Push-N-Load. Anyways, what I did is I took this, it was just the standard adapter, and I kept the original head on and just took the screw that was off the top of this and replaced it with the standard bolt that comes with this head. So now I have 2 things. This allows easy access for me to put in the wire down here, and then also it has these plastic blades that are sitting on the top. So let's see if it'll work out. And don't worry, as soon as I turn this thing on, these birds are gonna fly away. I'm showing this part of the video because as the leaves are going in, there are also some branches that are in these bags. I didn't pull all the branches out, that's totally fine. Branches are expected to be there with some of the dead leaves. As you notice, the sound changes a little bit, and that's because a stick got pushed down in the leaves. It broke one of the plastic cutters that is in there, and then the thing started vibrating like all get out. So it's definitely off balance. And see here, I'm holding it in place because it's starting to rotate on me, and I need to get clamps out to be able to secure it a little bit better. All right, well, doing one bag destroyed these plastic guys. That's hilarious. Okay, well, I'll keep going. I'll do another bag, and we'll see how well it lasts. Maybe all those twigs really make a huge difference on destroying this stuff. So only leaves, or maybe I should upgrade and make some metal one of these. That could be good. Then they would last longer. But it did eat it up pretty good, so I'll keep going. I did keep going, and I decided not to make any metal ones because if those broke off and went through the plastic, they literally would cut through the plastic covering. Least effective to most effective, I summarize it here. The plastic wire was less effective. That's what comes default with it. It just, any twig would destroy it. The second least effective is just the metal hanging wire. That just got torn to shreds a lot. Push-N-Load head. It did a really good job sucking all the leaves in there and destroying them, but if there was any branch on there, it would become really wobbly and unstable, not very safe. And the last thing is the plastic wrapped wire. I felt like that did the best. The plastic held up pretty good with the leaves and the branches and the twigs, and then the wire was probably just a better metal wire inside of that, so it held up really well. But that's my summary between it. If I were to do this all over again, which I will this next year, I would just use the plastic coated wire. And I got through 5 bags, even with twigs, by doing that. I'd highly recommend not making adjustments to it because it can make it more dangerous. It does void the warranty, and you might run into some additional problems. But if you like experimenting like I do, then it's a fun little thing to do. All right, have an excellent day.